In today's video, I'll teach you how to connect Instagram to Discord account. First of all, what you have to do is launch open Discord. You can see over here, Discord has been opened. Initially, you'll be led to the home interface. So normally, when you want to connect any account to Discord, what you have to do is tap on the U icon that you can see at the bottom right corner of your screen. Now, after you do that, you'll be led to your profile interface. Tap on the gear icon that you can see at the top right corner of your screen. Now, once you do that, you'll be led to the settings interface. You'll be able to find various options over here. What you have to do is scroll down and find this option for connections. Once you do that, tap on it. Now in the connections interface, you'll be able to see all the accounts that you can connect to Discord over here. But in this list, you can see over here, you'll not be able to find the option for Instagram. So you'll not be able to directly connect Instagram to Discord. But if you want the Discord people to know your Instagram ID, for that, what you have to do is go back. Now, once you do that in the profile interface, tap on this option, edit profile. Now after you do that, you'll be led to your profile interface. You'll be able to see your profile information over here. What you have to do is simply add your Instagram profile link in your description. For that, tap on this option, about me. Now after you do that, in order to get the link, what you have to do is launch open Instagram on your device. You can see over here, Instagram has been opened. Tap on the profile icon that you can see at the bottom right corner of your screen. What you have to do is tap on this option, share profile, that you can see on the screen. Now you'll be able to share your profile. You'll be able to find various options over here. What you have to do is tap on this option, copy link, that you can see on the screen. Now once you do that, you can see over here the link will be copied. Now go back to the Discord app. Now in the about me section, simply paste the link that we copied earlier. After you do that, what you have to do is tap on the save option that you can see at the top right corner of your screen. Now you can see over here the link will be added to your profile. Now if somebody taps on this link, you can see over here they'll be able to access your Instagram profile. So like this, you'll be able to connect them. So that is how you connect Instagram to Discord account. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching.